Ever feel like maintaining your home's exterior is a full-time job, like dealing with different contractors, or killing your weekends landscaping and power washing? It's frustrating. All I want to do is enjoy my space. Imagine having all your exterior services handled for you. Introducing Allterior. Allterior consolidates everything, providing peace of mind with a single schedule. All exterior, one company, all year long.
From power washing, pet cleanup, driveway sealing, and more, the expert team ensures your house gets the year-round maintenance it deserves. A yard and space you can enjoy proudly.
Enjoy instant curb appeal. The white glove service guarantees reliable maintenance the simple way. Scheduling from your phone and one simple price make it a breeze. Making more time for what truly matters. It's time to enjoy your home. Everything outside, simplified.